Good morning, Alex. It's Thursday, September 1st. Thanks for the cooking suggestions in your video. I'll have to try those out. I have to go to Trader Joe's tomorrow anyway, because I'm out of the essentials. I'm out of lemonade, that's what I mean. That lens was definitely really expensive. $5,000? $5,000 for the lens and the mount? Well, I don't know anything about optics, so maybe that's normal. My iTunes store stopped working again. It's doing the same thing it was doing before. I'm not sure what to do about that yet. If I should just do what I did before and uninstall and reinstall everything again. But I mean, then who's to say it's not gonna happen again? This is my last video. I've read this book, the whole book, Let It Snow, by John Green, Maureen Johnson, and Lauren Miracle? Or Miracle? I want it to be Miracle, just because that would be awesome. And I really enjoyed it, but it did make me miss you a lot. It's these 3 stories. They each get a story, and it's all about just Christmas and romance, and John Green is fantastic as usual, as is Maureen Johnson, and Lauren Miracle is good. I had never heard of her before. I didn't say that I prefer John Green over David Levithan, I just didn't remember what his name was. I just know John Green's books a lot better. In fact, now I have officially read all 5 of his books that have been published. So now what? No, I think I might try reading the book he suggests by Eileen Cooper, though I can't remember the title. It was the book that he mentioned in his vlog today. The weather here is supposed to get back up into the mid-90s over the weekend, so I'm sorry that it's been cool today, and I think tomorrow is like, I actually was cold this morning when I woke up. We'll be in San Francisco that one day, and it's going to be really cold there, so I'm sure you'll be comfortable. So remember last time I was in Tucson and I didn't get to eat that whole day, basically, and as soon as we got to your place, you made me a toasted peanut butter and jelly sandwich, and I said, "Whoa, why did you toast it? I don't like toasted." And that's because for my whole life, I've just absolutely rejected the idea of a toasted peanut butter and jelly sandwich. And I was just very stuck in my ways, basically. Well, I've discovered over the last week that it's really delicious, because the peanut butter gets all melty, and then the jelly just kind of mixes in with the peanut butter even better, and it's just like crunchy and melty peanut butter. I mean, there are very few things in this life that are better than melted peanut butter. So I've been indulging in that quite a bit these last few days. Well, this last week. One thing that I love is that how the jelly falls out of the sandwich and onto my plate, and then I kind of, scoop it up with the sandwich as I eat the rest of it. Today I didn't notice that a very large dollop of blackberry jelly had landed on my pants at some point. I don't know when this happened. I don't know how I didn't notice, but suddenly my hand, like this part of my hand, was all jellified, I guess, and also my forearm, and then I noticed that it was on the Wiimote, and then that's when I looked down and there was this big splotch of jelly on my pants. I couldn't believe it. So luckily today was laundry day, so I just ran it under water and then threw it in the wash, and it got it out completely. But so toasted peanut butter and jelly, 2 thumbs up, but with a falling jelly hazard. I love you, and I get to see you very soon.